Hey everyone, Jane here from Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you are looking at the 2020 Camry SE with a standard package. Now this is in super white, however it does come available in a variety of colors, and I will list those in the description below. But what I'm going to do for you right now is give you a quick little walk around the exterior. I'm going to try and show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. Now keep in mind throughout this video that this vehicle is also very new to me, so if I do miss a piece of information or if you'd just like to know more about the vehicle, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below and I will try to answer them to the best of my ability. If not, come on down to 110 Canam Cres here in the Brampton Auto Mall, as we have more than enough people here that would love to give you a walk around of this car in person. So starting at the front here, you can see this beautiful black sports styled grille. I love the contrast from the super white to the black. Of course, you can see that we have that chrome Toyota emblem at the front that is wrapped in a gloss covering, and that is because it does have Toyota safety sense. Our headlights are LED headlights. We also have daytime lights. On the side we have 7 alloy wheels, so that is a step up from the 16-inch steels that you can find on the LE value model. Now we do have color key door handles, and the fuel cap will be on the driver's side of the vehicle. On the rear here, because this is the Sport Edition, you do have that rear lip spoiler, and we do have LED combination taillights. We have your chrome badging for your Toyota symbol, as well as your Camry and your SE badging. We have a dual exhaust just underneath there. Moving along to the sides here, you can see that there's chrome outlining all of those windows. And due to the relocation from the TNGA platform, the side view mirrors have moved from I think it was a 2018 model that they were up here on the window. Now they're down here on the door just to create a little more visibility for that driver. And they do have integrated LED signals in them as well. So there you have it, my friends, the exterior of the 2020 Camry SE standard package. Let's go inside. So just before I bring you inside of this beautiful Camry, I just wanted to show you what your key fob is going to look like. So it does look just like this. As you can see, you have that keyless entry, as well as you can pop your trunk, as well as sound your alarm from your key fob. To access the key itself, just push that little silver button. But for now, we're just going to unlock the vehicle. On the driver's side door here, you have your controls for your power windows, which all 4 are automatic up and down. You do have your power locks, as well as power adjustable side view mirrors, and they are heated, by the way. You have your satin chrome door handle, which I absolutely love the look of. I think it just adds a little bit more luxury feel to the interior of the Camry. And one more thing to point out is your power adjustable driver's seat. I absolutely love this. I think it's a lot more safe than the manual adjustable one, especially if you want to adjust your seat when you are already on the road. Now, I never recommend doing that, but if you do, please have a power adjustable seat. But let's bring you completely inside this vehicle here and start it up so that everything works for you. Now I am using my left hand, so bear with me. This is kind of an awkward position. All right. Left-hand side of our steering wheel, tons of controls here. So you have your automatic. The steering wheel, it is a tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, and again has tons of controls. So you do have all of your arrows here, as well as your back button, your Bluetooth button, your volume up and down. You have your voice recognition. I'm going to quickly close this door here, try and eliminate some of this glare. There we go. And on the right side, you have your cruise control, and of course I did mention that Toyota safety sense a couple times, so it's not just those automatic high beams. We also have your dynamic radar cruise control that is from 40 kilometers and above, I believe, in this vehicle. You do have your lane departure alert with steering assist, and the last one is your pre-collision system with pedestrian. All 4 of those safety features do make up. And also the screen that color, yes, which is awesome. And I don't think much of our competition offers that color. So there you go, little fancy part of Toyota for you. heated seats with 3 different settings for both your driver and passenger. Center, not only is there tons of storage, but there's also 2 charging USB outlets. As for the seats, they're going down the center of them, very comfortable. As for cargo space, there are 2 different ways to get inside of the trunk. The first one is on the dash, just inside the driver's door, that button that I showed you a little earlier. And the second one is on your key fob. If you just press and hold that trunk button, it will open, and it will open all the way, which is super convenient, especially if you're carrying groceries or something that you do not want to put on the ground. Now, inside base. Now we do have a 60/40 folding back seat as well. So if you have longer gear, say a snowboard or a golf club, something along those lines. As for you all, the engine. But one feature that I love, the fact that we have a hydraulic hood. So